So welcome FinUp, the AI-powered crypto super app. We call it a super application because it puts everything right in your hands, everything that you need to be able to actually participate in trading cryptocurrency in a massive way. Now, I'll tell you guys a quick short version of my crypto story. I got started in cryptocurrency when Bitcoin was in its hundreds. And I was actually able to trade a few of those into hundreds of BTC in the first year. And then my second year trading cryptocurrency, I took a few $1,000s and turned it into $150 million because of the cryptocurrency space. They were in, at the time, the ETFs were being talked about, but there was nothing actually happening. Now, back then, when you're trading cryptocurrency, you'd open up 20 pages, you'd have to do research on every single product individually. And there was so much effort and energy that was required for a person to be able to participate and earn at a high level. This super app is going to make this so much simpler for everybody that is involved. It is a dashboard that gives you everything that you need to be able to trade, to be able to participate, and to be able to let the system itself do trading for you for the people that are not trading. So it's a super app. It's not just a application, but it's a super application because it's powered by AI and big data. The system itself is set up to specifically put us in a specific location in time where cryptocurrency is getting ready to go through its next super cycle. So we all know this, the people that have been in the industry for the time that we've been in. Since I've got in 2014, I was able to see this happen multiple times. The last time that a halving occurred, and every time a halving has occurred, it has risen the price and value of Bitcoin dramatically. The volume starts to pick up after the halving occurs, and the halving means that there is less BTC produced. So that means there is less supply and more demand. And every time this happens, it creates a major uptrend and a major bull run cycle. Now we're getting ready to get into the biggest bull run cycle that has ever been in the space as a whole. The next bull run is going to be bigger than anything we've ever seen before. And there is going to be trillions of dollars added to the market caps of the biggest cryptocurrencies. Trillions of dollars. That means that you're going to see new all-time highs for most of the things in cryptocurrency, and especially in Bitcoin. The fact is, what's triggering that is the ETF. When the gold ETF was launched, it made a major uptrend for gold. We've all been waiting for this ETF since it first was talked about early on. I heard about it originally back in 2016 that they were going to have a ETF launched, and it was multiple times denied. And that always ended up sparking altcoin runs. But now that the ETF is actually approved, and that just happened recently, US, China, Hong Kong already approved their ETFs and they've already launched them. That means that now funds like BlackRock and other big institutional funds, people can utilize their retirement plans and utilize the money that they already have in their stock trading portfolios to participate and purchase Bitcoin. That means that it's going to create so much more mass amounts of liquidity in the space and more awareness for the average person. It's going to bring more people into cryptocurrency than there are currently. And when you have the right tools and you're in the right precise timing, then you can take advantage of the opportunity by participating in this system. And this system sets you up in a way that you would never be set up any other way to be able to participate at the highest level to make the biggest gains for yourself and your family. But the fact is that the biggest banks are now entering cryptocurrency. BlackRock is a $10 trillion asset. That company's asset management is bigger than all of cryptocurrency by 5 times, and they now hold 270,000 BTC. MicroStrategy just buys 12,000 Bitcoin at $821 million. When Bitcoin hit 72,000, they bought at $72,000. So that means basically the way that Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy is setting this up is they'll take their cash reserves, and their cash reserves are in the hundreds of millions of dollars, and they're buying Bitcoin with all of the company's cash reserves every single quarter. And he believes Bitcoin's going to $1 million in the near future. And if you don't believe it, he'll buy your Bitcoin from you if you're willing to sell it. He has more money than most people since he spent $821 million on the last Bitcoin transaction. Grayscale now has $22 billion worth of Bitcoin. China buying Bitcoin. All of these companies in these markets in these countries are investing because this is the best performing asset that they have ever seen in the history of their funds, in the history of the world. Bitcoin has been the best performing asset and the best performing ETF, even better than the gold ETF. So that sets us up in a really special place. But all of this information is useless if you do not have the right tools. It's all exciting. It's all nice. But what can it do and what's in it for you? Why is it important to you? Well, when you have all of that information in one place and you have a dashboard instead of opening 20 plus websites and not even in most cases knowing what those websites are. In this case, it's all in one simple place where you have the academy, top educators, live sessions, videos, blogs, pro educators, all of the KOLs from the industry are hopping on board. There is a long list of professional KOLs that are all interested or ready to be speakers and trainers inside of the education aspect. And then AI crypto trading. Now, this is not just any AI crypto trading. It's not just trading on charts. It's not just trading on individual single pairs. It's not just using the grid strategies or DCA. This is an AI trading system that is actually studying the entire space and downloading 30 gigabytes of data every single second. It's 2.6 million gigabytes of data on a daily basis that it is analyzing using the large language learning module to be able to actually see everything that's happening and to know what people's wallets address are, to know what the volume that they've traded in the past, to know when they take profits, to when they take stop loss, to know everything about every single trader that exists in the marketplace. When you have all of that information and then you utilize artificial intelligence to make a decision, you get more than phenomenal results. You get better than average results. I'm going to share those with you in just a moment. Also, the system, of course, has all the market insights, news, and alerts for anything else that you want to trade yourself. And the research is done by AI, but it's also going to allow us to participate in the exclusive airdrops that are just set up for the FinUp system. Think about what we're building here as a team and an organization. We're building the largest cryptocurrency app that has ever been created, and we have a massive community to promote it to the world. We are adopting crypto simpler and easier than any other person or system has ever done before, and this is how billions of revenue is created, because you have a tool, you have a compensation structure to share it, and now you have the right product that you can go out and talk to every single person that you've ever met in your life, and you can talk to every single person that is in your organization already. Think about this as a new start for your business today. If you're in the business, if you're just hearing about this, this is the perfect tool for anyone to communicate to. Everybody understands something about trading. They may not understand how to do it themselves, but they understand that when they put their money into something and they can increase the value of the asset and they can do it in a completely safe environment, they are interested in participating. And this system is a gorgeously done dashboard. The dashboard is unique to itself. It has everything that you can imagine as far as crypto, and it puts you right in the place like a Bloomberg, like a terminal for your own cryptocurrency trading, all right in the power of your hands, right in the power of your device or on your computer. The best part about all this is it's actually not held as custodian on FinUp. That means your resources are completely safe in your favorite exchange, in this case, Binance, and also multiple other exchanges that will be connected to where your funds are inside of the exchange and not inside of the direct sales company, not inside Mavi, not inside FinUp. They're actually in your own wallets to where if you want to stop the trade or if you want to press withdrawal, Binance handles all of that. It's inside of your own Binance account, directly connected with something called Binance Broker Link. Binance Broker Link is a situation to where FinUp has spent the time and energy to be able to make the partnership with Binance to where you can actually connect directly with your account in the Binance system without using the external API, but using the internal, so that you actually can make the trades. And when the trades are made by the machine, it trades everyone else's account at the same time with an equal value. So that means that this system is completely safe. Binance holding the resources, holding the funds. No matter what happens with FinUp, the resources are still inside of your own accounts, your own personal accounts. So it's smart, it's intelligent, it's safe, it's performs at levels that people have not seen in this space, and a consistency unlike anything that we've seen. 87% winning trades on this entire time period. Now, I can win trades 87% for about 3 to 4 days before my eyeballs start bleeding from staring at 1 second candles, and I end up having to sleep for 3 days after doing those types of crazy trades. This system does it 100% of the time, 24/7. It's always running, always studying, always downloading data, and always making winning trade decisions. 87% accuracy. If you're 51% accuracy, you're winning, you're making money. If you're 87% accurate, then you're making much more money with monthly profits at 16%. FinUp strategy over the last 18 months has performed at 324% over a dollar price. 324% increase in value of the assets that have been traded. And I will show you here in 18 months. This is a live, actual real-time trading data, which we can go into real quickly to share with you guys. I'll switch my screen real fast. And this, you can see, trading up from the beginning, and it's continuing and continuing. And this at 10,000 deposit, it's currently at 10 million deposit. It's currently at $42 million in trade. And you can go through this when you have time, take a look and see all of the winning trades. All the way back from the beginning, taking this asset up almost 4 times in this time period. So very, very exciting, solid system that's consistent, that we can continually to get consistent returns on with all of the resources that we have ourselves, but also with a system that allows us to share this with people so that we can get them to have the same type of consistent returns. It's something you can spend more time on. Go look through the charts, go check everything out, and you guys can see exactly how that works. Pretty exciting stuff. Now, this whole system, of course, we are bringing on some amazing technical advisors as well. This is the CEO of OKEX, the previous CEO of OKEX, who built a company that had $1 trillion in trade in the last 7 days. They had hundreds of billions of dollars in AUM. This is the type of build that we're going to build. He will be speaking on a calls. He'll also be coming to different conventions and seeing and talking about how the FinUp system is unique and different than anything else that's out there. We're super excited about this because we know what it can do for your community, and we're super excited about how easy it is for everybody to get involved. You can get started with as little as $100 to get a license, and then you can go all the way up to $30,000, depending on the amount that you want to trade. I always tell people, get in where they fit in, start wherever you'd like to start, but make sure that you get started. In this system, your profit split is from 50% to 30%, depending on the level that you're in. And the profits will automatically be inside of your account. The profits are taken by Binance when the profit split happens. So that means that the resource automatically goes from there into the compensation structure without you even making any type of withdrawal. It's all done on the exchange. It's all done inside of the system. There's no extra fees to pay outside of that. Just your performance fees, and then your membership fee. And that's it. And the membership fee goes into the traditional Mobby compensation structure. And then the performance fee goes into something that is even new and more exciting. And I'm going to let Vitaliy explain that to you. But this system that they're creating with this connection between the two, where Mobby and FinUp are partnering up to where FinUp brings the technology, Mobby brings the compensation structure, and they've created something that has never been seen before in compensation in the direct sale space. It's a secondary binary on top of the binary that you have existing, and it pays out on assets under management, which means anything that is inside of people's exchange that has performance, you're going to get paid on that performance, which means that you have a residual generated performance system. That means your residuals are based on the performance of the technology, which means it's like having an auto ship where people don't have to pay any extra money and you get paid on it every time. It's a performance-based growth of your passive residual income. So I will let Vitaliy, I'll pass it back to you. You can take a hold of this and share with everybody the compensation structure. It's absolutely epic. It's a super strong system, guys. We're very excited about it because we know what it's going to be able to do for people's wealth. We know that this product, as simple as and easy as it is as a conversation, is going to be so impactful for the organization. And we have people coming from all over the world, from all different companies. We have entire companies that are moving their entire organizations because of the technology that we have here to share with you guys. So that's my part of the presentation. Thank you all for your time today. It's been a pleasure to be with you. I look forward to helping you make $1 million a day in this business. If you've got the desire and the effort, you will put it in and we'll make it happen. Have an amazing day, and we'll see you all soon.
Whoa, thank you so much. Absolutely excited. My heart is beating like this is fire. Everyone who is in the space of the cryptocurrency and direct selling industry, they are so excited to see that for the first time we're bringing such a powerful technology with artificial intelligence, allowing to take advantage of the volatility of the crypto markets and grow your portfolio without the stress, without the emotions. And as someone that has been trading for the last 7 years, and I know and remember very well the sleepless nights when I was literally not sleeping for the entire night, watching the candles, watching the charts, and it was not fun. Trust me, it was not fun. And at the end of the day, I was also losing. So I lost the sleep and I lost the money as well. And after experiencing all of that, if I just can automate this to the artificial intelligence, let it do the work, let it do the trading. And I understand the power of artificial intelligence because I'm very good at chess. But even though I'm very good at chess, there are also grandmasters and the world champions that are much, much better than me at chess, right? Like there's other traders that are much better at trading than me. But even if you take the #1 chess grandmaster in the world and you put him to play the today's artificial intelligence engine, he's going to lose every single time. The artificial intelligence chess engine is going to beat the grandmaster at his own game like it was a child play. And this is exactly what is happening with the artificial intelligence and the trading. No matter how good of a trader you are biased by your emotions of fear, emotions of greed, fatigue, you know. And artificial intelligence doesn't sleep. They're analyzing all of this data every single second, what's going on, being able to adapt into the market in different market conditions, right? That's what makes it so valuable that no trader is capable of doing. So that's why I'm excited that to share this, that even my brother or my mother can connect their accounts and they can see it grow. I'm very confident that this is the solution for a lot of people, that they can trade and stress-free into the market. So the membership allows you to give access to the technology, to the dashboard, to the tools, to the training. But what most is of interest to the people is the automation of the trading. So the higher the membership you get, the more of the maximum deposit you can start trading with, the less of the fees of the profit split that you're going to pay. And also the more of the binary trading performance binary you're going to get. So with this program, with this partnership of Mavi Global and FinUp, you can get up to 5% trading binary. But because we're on a pre-launch, we can actually go and double that. So until 24th of May, you have another like 15 days to get double the binary. So what do I mean by that? So the trading performance binary, the first ever company with 2 binaries. So we have one binary that is the normal binary, the business volume coming from the membership. And then there is the other binary that is strictly for the performance of the trading itself. So here's how it works. For example, you have $100 million of deposits in your structure. If the monthly profit is 10%, then $10 million is the profit. FinUp shares 10% of the profit with the Mavi community. So it's $1 million shared, and 1 million trading volume is going into your binary, into your network, is capable to give you additional extra bonus. If we are talking about 10% binary, is additional $100,000 in a month. And because of the capability of compounding, which can actually grow the account more and more and more with time, the first month, second month, first year, second year, third year. So the account can grow, and with it, your passive income that you work right now, you work once, you build a structure, you build a team, you build an organization, and all of these people are connecting their accounts on their own exchange, connecting it to the artificial intelligence and trading for them. They're making profits, they're happy, and part of it, 10% of the overall profit is shared with your binary. So you are also eligible for that. And because of the pre-launch, we have a special pre-launch promotion, get a double traded binary, which you basically mean instead of 1%, you can get 2%, instead of 2, 4, instead of 3, 6%, instead of 4, 8%, instead of 5, 10%. So depending on the membership, you can get up to 10% and up to $250,000 in a week. So up to $1 million in a month, so you can get as an extra bonus. This is an extra bonus, a cherry on top of the cake that you get a monthly residuals from the trading performance as your team is winning. The only way to get this bonus is when your team is actually winning and making profit. So the compensation is very, very lucrative. up to 70% payouts instantly in USDT. We have 6 bonuses available. So number one is the direct bonus. So someone that through your link, they sign up and they get a membership, you get paid 7% instant payout. The second bonus is momentum bonus. You get back 50% of your membership value. All you need to do within the first 30 days of registration is 5 people, 5 direct partners that get the same membership or higher as you, and you get this 50%. Then the biggest bonus is the team bonus. The team bonus, otherwise called the binary bonus, we have 2 teams. That's why it's binary. You have left team and you have the right team. So on the left team, there's business volume. The right team, there's business volume. And it's a team effort. That's why it's called a team bonus. You're not working alone. You're working as a team, and a team together is making much stronger. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? So we have here $80,000, for example, on the right, 150 on the left. So from the 80,000, you'll get 10%, which is $8,000. Then we have the matching bonus, start paying you up to 7 generations of uni level based on the team bonus of your team. So you can get whatever the team bonus your members are getting. You can get up to 7 generations, 5% of the matching check as well. And as you go through the ranks, your income is growing as well. So the first cash prize as a Sapphire rank, you get $500. As a Ruby, you get $1,000. As an Emerald, $1,500. Diamond, $3,000. So we have a career plan. We have a compensation that allows you to earn as you build and grow your organization and the team, that the bonuses can go to 15, 30, 90K, 150K, 450K, all the way up to $25 million. So this is a billionaire rank. And I'm confident there's going to be people like who you heard today who will achieve this rank, a billionaire rank. It's not easy to achieve. It's a $25 million. Go to the back office, you claim, click on the button, $25 million is wired to you. It's pretty cool. So first time in the history of affiliate marketing, Mavi Global introduces the most powerful compensation plan, get paid by 2 binaries. So the business volume binary is the original normal binary that you get paid from the purchase memberships. And the TV is the trading volume. So here you get paid on the profits and only on the profits on the own accounts of the people that are connected to the binary. The payout distribution is like the follows. 70% goes to the cash account, withdrawable instantly in USDT. 20% goes to the club account. The funds can be used to buy the membership or any other products of the Mavi Global family. We have 3 partnerships that are capable of buying right now. And we have the 10% that is buying ULX coin and add it to your bonus NFT. What is the ULX coin? Is the coin of the Ultron Foundation. Okay, it's the first partnership with Mavi Global. It's like an Ethereum. It's like a coin of the blockchain that is just added to you and for your bonus. Okay, so that is how it works. Let's go over some frequently asked questions real quick that people are asking. Number 1 question is how the profit split works. So when you start with, let's say, $10,000 in your account, if it goes into the negative, and it happens in trading, that let's say the first couple of days, negative trading days, okay, no problem. You will not pay a profit split on during this time. Only when the portfolio grows above the previous highest point in the portfolio, only then the profit split happens, only during this time. So the only way that you're going to pay any money on the profits is when your portfolio actually is increasing. And this is very powerful to understand. Okay, so then it helps you to recover much faster. Now, when we are talking about real-time trading data and past results, the 16%, how do we calculate the 16%? So we're taking an average of the past 18 months active trading on partner account. 16 was the monthly average, right? So we take the 18 months and we divide the whole amount of the profits, right? So for example, 324%, calculator, 324 divided by 18 months, something like that. 16%, okay? So we are talking about compounding. So this account has been growing on a compounding ratio. So 87% are the winning trades, and it beat Bitcoin. It means it outperformed the market of a Bitcoin. So during the bull market, incredible. During the bear market, also is capable of performing because of the trading strategy. The trading strategy deployed is without leverage and is in the futures market, which allows for going long and going short. So the positions you can actually bet on the market going up and on the market going down. The artificial intelligence can adjust itself and it can decide when it's going to go long and when it is going short. On average, one trade per day, and every day there is a rebalancing happenings. The capital allocation per trade varies based on the signal strengths, and the full balance is never fully invested. What I like about this strategy is that it takes care of the downside. You know, the most important part of trading is to not lose money. Okay, how traders are losing money when the market drops a lot. When the markets start dropping 10, 20, 30, 40%, you know, that's what happens is people are losing money. But because the strategy always takes care, they have stop losses in place, always implemented positions rebalance daily, maximum account drawdown is set at 15% for maximum account protection, but it never hit actually this drawdown levels. The stop losses are triggered way before that. So that ensures the safety. As long as you ensure the downside, then the upside is going to take care of itself. So while the market in the last months and a half has dropped more than 20% on the Bitcoin, actually you can see that on the FinUp strategy, if you open the FinUp strategy, it produced very, very well during this time. And the portfolio, it went down just a couple of percentages, while the market, the Bitcoin market, went down by 20%. Okay, so this is important to understand the safety of it. All the funds are always in your control. You can withdraw partially of your funds, all of your profits, or all of the fund, all of your deposit. You are in total control because the funds are within your exchange. You control it. You control the withdrawal process. Now, the maximum deposit of the account doesn't mean you have to start there. You can start with a lower amount and you can add and top it up to the maximum deposit. Like in this example, you can basically start here and you can top it up to the maximum amount, okay? Now, the equity growth and compounding, the compounding is turned on from maximum performance. AI uses position sizes based on the current balance and uses compounding effect. Now, this compounding effect is actually executed pretty much on a daily basis, right? So every day it is proportional to the amount that is in the account. So this is the best type of a scenario that a compounding is happening. So we take compounding into effect, week after week, months after months, then what we can see truly big numbers. So to give you an idea, okay, how this compounding can work like, if we take, let's say, $10,000, take $10,000 and we compound it at the rate of 8% per month, and we compound it for 1 year, okay? Compounding on a monthly basis. Compound on a monthly basis, then this $10,000 turn into $25,000 with a 151% return. Now, if you take it and compound it into 2 years, okay, now it is growing to $53,000 total profit, or $63,000 total account balance. If you compound it at 3 years, and with this license, with this membership, you can keep compounding year after year. It doesn't need to stop at 1 year. With 3 years, this $10,000 can grow to $159,000, which is 1,500%. So this is what we are talking about as a potential. Now, it can be more, it can be less. I'm talking about 8% monthly as an example. So if you look at the 16 months performance, which is 1 year and 6 months, and we calculate it, this is 300%. 300% we divide by the 18 months. This is the 16% average that basically as a percentage. So you understand how this is being divided, okay, and how much actually percentage you're getting. So this, because of this compounding, it is really, really possible to grow it with time to some big, big numbers. And that's what you need to understand. The trading game is possible to grow a lot, your capital to grow a lot, as long as you are your ratio of the winning trades is very good, and as long as you take care of the downside when the market goes against you, when the market goes in the different direction than what you set up, that you minimize those losses. And that's what I like about the system, that it is just like that, capable to minimize your losses. So once again, let's summarize what you're getting here is the membership itself. Okay, it varies based on how much maximum deposit you can put in. And the more membership you get, the more maximum deposit you can put in, the more money you can keep with you as the profit split taking place, the more money you keep with you. Okay, and also the more of the trading binary you can get. So you can see it on the table. The more of the trading binary performance from the team, as you build an organization, as you build a team, you're going to start getting overrides, okay, in USDT coming to your wallet pretty much almost on a daily basis. Whenever there is a profit generated, then money is going to come in and money is going to pay out, and you can instantly capable to withdraw it.